Okay, the next question in this series is finding the percentage. Okay, read the question properly. Okay, they are giving an input of number, means they are giving a number, and they are giving the details, the name and the numbers. These are three numbers. Okay, like that. And lastly, they are giving another name as an input, and we have to find the average of that. Okay, first of all, just see this code and interpret it. Okay, they have created one dictionary of student marks. उन्होंने एक dictionary बनाई है and they are taking this, they are iterating till n times because they are taking an input of n numbers, and here they are taking name and line. Okay, the name will go to here, means here our name, this name will go to that name variable, and this in this line variable this all left, means जो भी बाकी है वो सब line में जाएगा. Then here they have created a list of scores where they are mapping the float numbers and iterating that line. Okay, and they have created the list of number marks. Yeah, and lastly they are storing in the dictionary with the student marks name. They have storing the scores, and lastly they are taking this input, मीन्स जिसका हमें एवरेज फाइंड करना है मार्क्स का. सो अभी हमें करना क्या है, सो नाउ वी विल create a variable like sum. Okay, this is our traditional way. Now I will iterate the marks of the students that we have came, means अभी हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स मार्क वाला डिक्शनरी है, उसमें से हमें क्या किस स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स इटरेट करने हैं, मीन्स वी हैव टू इटरेट द मार्क्स ऑफ दैट स्टूडेंट. सो वी आर गिविंग हियर क्वेरी नेम. नाउ वी विल ऐड sum plus I, and lastly we will print the average with divide by 3. Okay, I think they are giving only 3 marks every time, means marks of 3 subject every time. If it is working, I think it will good. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, they want the formatted input. Okay, so they want the formatted input. Okay, okay, so we have to now format. Okay, we will format. What is going on? Okay, we will format this with the 0, means before decimal we want 0, means उधर क्या हमें restrictions लगानी नहीं है, but after decimal we have to take 2 float values, means 2 decimals, up to 2 decimals हमें print करना है. So like that we are taking that, and now we will format this value to the answer. Okay, sorry, here I have to write the format. Okay, now I will run the code. Okay, yeah, it is working. Yeah, yes, it is working. सबमिट करके देखता हूँ मैं अभी. Okay, this is a thing that we have solved. Okay, thank you.